Hi everyone, welcome back, and this is Jackson, and today we're unboxing a brand new 2024 Yarbo Lawn Mower and the installation guide, so let's get started. So first you have to cut out all of these tape on the accessory box. Yeah, so this is our accessory box, the first layer. We have the certified right here and the user manual for the Yarbo cord. And remove the first layer. You'll see the all the accessories and the attachment right here. We have the tow hitch, antenna on the main body, and the smart system module, and so many parts, and the wire charger, and tools, and the RTK data sensor. And then you have to remove the cover from the Yarbo cord box. And right here we have the data sensor in front. So take it out first, and then remove all of these black silicone gel packs. And then you got this Yarbo cord main unit. And remove the cover, and you'll find the controller right here. Take it out first. And also the USB charger right here. And put in the battery, plug it in. Put back the cover and lift out the emergency stop button. Now let's install the antennas on the main body. So first, remove the red cap and peel this off, and find your antenna. If it's winter, use the high mount. If it's the summer, use the low mount. And then easily screw it like this. And find 3 connection bolts and use Allen key to screw them carefully. Yeah, make sure to tighten it and for the both sides. And now let's connect the smart system module with the Yarbo cord. And you'll find the shaft and the hose on both the cord and the smart system module. Line them up perfectly, and when it feels right, give it a little push until you hear that satisfying click. There we go, everything's in place. Now let's replace the trackside plates. So you're gonna unscrew these 4 bolts by using Allen key 2. Unscrew them carefully. Very easy, very simple. And take it out and use the one made of steel in the package and install them. Same work done by the other side. Now let's set up the halo antenna. You're gonna find it in the box. Remove the white screw cap, and you will find a black rubber. Please keep it. And grab the halo antenna and gently screw it into its mount. And now carefully lift the module off on the box by grabbing this handle. Steady out, you've got this. Now bring the lawnmower module close to the Yarbo cord by gripping both sides. Make sure the module and cord are positioned nice and close so the cable can easily reach between them. Here comes an important step. Carefully insert the cable into the port on the lawnmower module. Take your time and align everything properly. No need to rush. Once it clicks into place, you know you've got it right. Now we align the lawnmower module with the cord. Lift the module, locate the shaft and the hose on both the cords and the module, and gently push them together until they click. That's the sum of a secure connection. Next, lift the 2 lugs on the side of the lawnmower module. find the plastic connection cover from the package and snap it onto the connection parts of the mower. Now push the locks back down to secure everything. We're almost there! Give the connection part holder a firm push until you feel or hear that final click. Perfect! Everything is locked in place and ready to go. That's it! Your lawnmower module is now connected and ready to roll. Easy, right? Time to enjoy a perfect mow lawn without lifting a finger. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you guys next time.